I mean, I don't know all the agents and what their powers are. I mean, I know ISO now, where they people to like a 1v1. I quite understand that. I wonder if Fortnite's going to bring in that sort of thing. Am I sad that I only got in? Well, no, I mean, I was playing it for 2 years when, Benji was playing it, or 18 months, but yeah, it is sad that I won't get to play with Benji again. Do a Detroit Become Human and Hogwarts Legacy. Yeah, I tried. I bought Hogwarts and played a few hours with it. But I wasn't very good at fighting and then sort of wasn't really enjoying it. So I didn't bother going any further with it. It didn't have the same appeal. So I kind of left it. I quite like the challenge of, because I'm quite competitive, I like the tournament side of Fortnite. I like being able to do the tournaments, and like when I was playing, a lot of my friends don't play now, they've moved on. So like they were 15, 16 and now they're 20 or whatever, so they don't that much now. But like doing the tournaments and trying to beat them. So they would go and key and I would do my, you know, camping, so to speak. And invariably beat them, so I like the tournament side of Fortnite, which you don't get so much in the other, like in Valorant. You wouldn't really get that. Is solo comp today builds, it is, yeah. There aren't any zero builds apart from the OG one, I think, at the weekend. And so... have I seen The Cursed Child? Not sure I have, no. Have I seen The Cursed Child? I don't think I have. It's not region locked, but it only counts as one tournament towards your 14. So... Oh no, we've got someone here. Don't come here. Oh, what, Harry Potter? The Cursed Child? No, don't come here, please. Away. Okay, well, I wasn't ever going to beat them doing all their triple edits. 3%! No! Diamond 1. Yeah, up until Elite, it's not too difficult to rank up, to be honest. Once you get to elite, it seems to change. I think that was the... Okay. Maybe.